Let's see what the gold has done yesterday and what we can expect today from the market. Yesterday, the candle has been formed as indecision candle. We can see the way the price at the start of the day is the same as the close day price. So it is indecision between the buyers and the sellers. We can see that the price has tried to move down, but also tried to move up. And if you have watched the yesterday analysis, I have mentioned that the price needs to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance or bearish breakout below this area of support. We can see that yesterday, if we take a look here on the 4-hour time frame, the price has formed a bullish breakout going very close to the next resistance level, which is 3026.21, but the price returned back down. Yesterday, this bullish breakout that has been formed here on the 4-hour time frame has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, with the target here around 3015, and we can see the price after the form of this bullish breakout, the price immediately reached this area of resistance, which is a smaller resistance. And if we take a look here on the 1-hour time frame, we will see that if the price goes above this area of resistance, which is a 1-hour time frame 3001.81, the resistance where the price could stop is 3009. It is the first resistance, and the second one is 3016. When the price formed the bullish break on the 4-hour time frame, the price has reached 3015.86. I have just also mentioned on the 4-hour time frame, and this is easily visible where we can see this small support here, and it is also acting as a resistance for the price, and also it is an area between these two candles, which is open and close price, which represents a small support and resistance depending where the price is heading, up or down. So the price has reached this target. We can see that it was a profitable trade yesterday, and after that the price has returned back down. We can see trying to move down. It has confirmed the previous resistance, now acting as a support. We can see that this time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, the price tried to move down back below this area of support, but unsuccessfully. The price continued to rise in value in the next attempt for the second time, but the price could not reach this resistance 3026.21, which means there is a selling pressure here, not allowing the price from further rising in value. After that, we can see a strong bearish candle that has took the price back down inside this range area I have mentioned, and then the price tried to move down, but unsuccessfully. And we can see in the last 4 hours the price has formed a strong bullish candle. It is a strong bullish candle, which is also a bullish breakout above this daily resistance level, and the next candle, which is currently active, is confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. We can see that here, where the price did not go below this area of support and did not close. So the 4-hour time frame candle is still active, so we need to wait out to see how the price will behave. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we can see this is a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3001.81, and it has been confirmed with the next candle, which is suggesting further rise in value. So what I can expect, I'm expecting the price will continue to rise in value because this is a bullish breakout on the 1-hour time frame that has been confirmed. We have a 4-hour time frame, a bullish breakout that will probably be confirmed because we have already 1 hour time frame confirmed, and we can see the daily time frame, it is making a bullish breakout. The daily is still active, so we need to wait until the day closes, because we can see the price yesterday has gone up and down and closes as indecision candle. So today we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will the price manage to go? But for now we have 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame bullish breakout, and it is probably will be confirmed. So where is the next target? For now the target is again here, very close to this area of resistance 3026.21. like yesterday the price has done that, so we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. So for the 4-hour time frame, it is very important for the price to close the 4-hour time frame above 3010.34. we can see that here, these two candles open and close. If the price closes above on the 4-hour time frame, this will suggest further rise in value, which means the bulls have managed to make breakout of this small resistance that is preventing the price from easily reaching higher price levels. So this is for the 4-hour time frame, and if the price returns back down in the next 4 hour, if this candle closes below here, this will be a failed bullish breakout, indicating further decline in value, where the next support will be around here at 2009. So for the 1 hour time frame, which is confirmed, this is suggesting further rise in value, so I'm expecting the price to reach higher price levels. But if the price returns back down, we can see 2009.73. I have just mentioned the 4 hour time frame. It is also a 1 hour time frame as support level where the price is heading. So these are the current status for the currently the day market. What we can expect from the gold. So for now, I'm open to see much more price to the higher price levels because of this bullish breakout and on the 1 hour time frame. And currently, this could be also a trigger for the cancellation of this bearish trend, which is currently active on the market. Let's see how the price will behave, and if you would like to receive these updates with the potential target, like I have mentioned, yesterday I had a profitable trade with the traders, and the day before that it was also a profitable one. Feel free to check the premium analysis. Inside you receive the updates, and also for the rest of these symbols, which have totally 8 of them. When there is a breakout on the market, I share that with the traders, and they get also access to that. Feel free to check that, the link will be below in the description. See you inside, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.